Hello! Are you folks ready for the new growing season? We are getting ready here. This year I was inspired by the Blue Zones documentary by Dan Buttner and decided to plant a couple of our usual seedlings and a couple of new ones. If you're not familiar with this documentary, Blue Zones are regions in the world where people have been known to live longer than average, and a big part of it is thanks to their diet. So let's take a closer look at each zone's top longevity foods. I will be growing my usual tomatoes. I found this dollar store growing tree quite useful. Another new thing I tried is growing mint from store-bought cuttings. Just leave it in water for 1 to 2 weeks until they grow roots and then plant them into the soil. I will be growing peas alongside chickpeas. I soaked them in water overnight and then planted them outside. I added some twigs to support the young sprouts. Another method that worked really well for me last year was to soak the carrot seeds in water for 24 hours and then mix them up with the cornstarch mixture. This way the spacing of the seeds will be very even.
Right here. Slide, galaxy slide.
I love growing kale and I made sure to plant quite a few. I also enjoy having fresh basil and onions at my disposal. I will be growing sweet potatoes again. Instead of using the traditional water method like last year, I just plant the sweet potatoes directly in the soil. I picked a regular organic sweet potato and a more expensive purple one that wasn't organic. Purple potato was the first one to sprout. It took about 4 weeks. The bigger regular potato took 2 extra weeks to sprout. I will be growing corn, squash and beans, or 3 sisters, for the first time, so stay tuned for the updates. So that's the plan for this year. Hope you enjoyed this video and catch you next time.